Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can start and stop recording / streaming with hotkeys in OBS. So if we open OBS up, the first thing you want to do is you want to come to File, then go to Settings. Then in Settings you want to click on Hotkeys, and then you should be able to see these sections for where you want to assign the hotkeys. So I'm going to be doing it for starting and stopping recording. If you want to do it for streaming, you can do, and if you want to have separate hotkeys for streaming and recording, you can do. So all you have to do is click into the box. So I've clicked into the Start Recording box, and then you just want to press the hotkey that you want. So I'm going to say F11 is going to do the recording, and then I'll click into the Stop Recording box, and then I'm going to press the F12 key to make it so F12 will stop the recording. So now I've put those in there. If I now click Apply, and then I click OK, if I just minimize that down, if I now just press the F11 key on the keyboard, as you can see it has started recorded, and then if I press the F12 key, as you can see it's now stopped recording, and we should now have an output video here. There we go, as you can see that has worked as expected. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you just like to hit the dislike button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.